The rainbow bridge sparkle, calling back, "Oh, Lily, before we go home, I just remembered something." "Lily? What is it, Sparkle?" "Sparkle, you know how we crossed that little stream earlier? It reminded me of a tiny story my mother told me when I was just a baby unicorn." "Lily, tell me, quick, before it gets too dark." "Sparkle, it's very short, but very sweet. It's called The Rainbow Bridge." Soft, magical music narrator. Once there was a young deer who wanted to cross a river to reach the sweetest grass on the other side. But the river was wide and the current was strong. "Dear, how will I ever get across?" Narrator. Just then, a beautiful rainbow appeared in the sky after a gentle rain. "Rainbow, dear, I've watched you trying to cross. Would you like my help?" "Dear, you can help me, but you're in the sky." "Rainbow, climb onto my arc. I will be your bridge." Narrator. The rainbow lowered itself across the river, creating the most beautiful bridge anyone had ever seen. The deer walked carefully across, and when she reached the other side, she looked back. "Dear, thank you, Rainbow. But why did you help me?" "Rainbow, because everyone needs help sometimes, and it makes me happy to brighten someone's day." Narrator. From that day on, whenever the deer saw a rainbow, she smiled, remembering the kindness of the magical bridge. Music fades. Lily, that was beautiful. Sparkle. Sparkle, it teaches us that help can come from unexpected places, and that helping others makes us happy too. Lily, just like how we helped each other today. Sparkle. Exactly. Now let's really go home before our parents worry. Lily, race you. Sparkle. Hey, no fair. You got a head start. Sound of laughter and hoofbeats fading. Narrator. And with laughter ringing through the meadow, our friends headed home, ready to dream of new adventures and new stories to share. Sweet dreams, little ones. May your dreams be filled with magic, friendship, and wonderful tales.